Your creativity deserves to be rewarded. That's why the YouTube Partner Program offers more ways to make money from your channel and community than anywhere else. Let's walk through how to qualify, apply, and get approved, and what becomes available to you once you're in. To apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you must follow YouTube's channel monetization policies, live in a location where YPP is available, have no active community guideline strikes on your channel, have two-step verification turned on for your Google account, have advanced features access on YouTube, be ready to set up or link an AdSense for YouTube account, and hit one of our eligibility thresholds. To earn with fan funding and certain shopping features, the thresholds are 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 3 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. As you continue to grow, you'll unlock revenue sharing from ads and YouTube Premium once you hit 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. You can apply by going to YouTube Studio, then earn. If you're not yet eligible, you can track your progress towards eligibility and sign up to get notified with an email when you're able to apply. Once you apply, we use a combination of automated systems and human reviews to check your entire channel to make sure it follows all of our policies and guidelines. We'll get back to you with a decision via email once your channel is reviewed, typically in about a month. You can check back in the Earn section of YouTube Studio anytime to see the status of your application. If your first application wasn't successful, don't worry. You can appeal the decision within 21 days or keep uploading original content and you'll be able to reapply after a 30-day period. If this isn't your first application to be rejected or you've previously reapplied, you can try again after a 90-day period. Our review likely found that a significant portion of your channel doesn't currently follow our policies and guidelines. The Earn page in Studio will tell you the specific policies that were flagged. Be sure to review our policies and guidelines against your channel's overall content and adjust your channel before reapplying. If your application was successful, congratulations and welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. The Earn page in YouTube Studio will be your central dashboard for activating and managing earning features on YouTube. The goal of the YouTube Partner Program is to help creators build vibrant and diversified businesses with their channels while also benefiting their community of fans. So here's a breakdown of the different ways you can earn money on YouTube. Advertising revenue, which lets you earn money from watch page ads and shorts feeds ads. YouTube Premium Revenue, where you earn a portion of the premium subscription fee from your viewers who are YouTube Premium members. Channel Memberships, which lets you offer exclusive perks and content to viewers who join your channel as a monthly paying member. Super Thanks, where your fans pay to get their message highlighted in the comment section of your videos and shorts. Super Chat and Super Stickers, which lets fans pay to get their messages or animated images highlighted in live stream chats. And Shopping, which lets your viewers browse and buy your own products and products from other brands that you recommend. Keep in mind that some of these features have their own eligibility requirements. So for more info on the YouTube Partner Program and each of these features, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.